Tangki po Alvarez. Batin dito. Yun. May kasama lambitin pa yun.
But it blew up in their faces. Lanes and Wong Alvarez downstairs. Fast break pitch. Maraming puhunan na ng Ginebra. Eto si Alvarez. Fourth at slap. Aganda na naman ang pasa kay Wong. Dalawang sunod. Kagaktak. Si Wong Alvarez. Mr. Excitement. Good pass to Paul Alvarez. He goes up.
O yan. Alang kay binigay kay Bong Alvarez. Lumipad si Bong Alvarez.
Si Rumi.
Watch that play again from another angle. Talagang hiniinan ni Bong Alvarez si Mark.
Ito pinapagin natin yung kinatalaw. The San Miguel Firma to play.
At kung makikita man natin sa replay yan, ito yan Rado eh. Oh.
Linangka ni Alvarez, na-save nung kasama niya. Si Alvarez tumatakbo na and all the way. At nabuhay yung buong Cuneta. Panonorin natin sa ating screen.
And then the acrobatic shot from Mr. Excitement. Humiga sa ere. Watch this play again. Si Mr. Excitement.
Alvarez was in mid. It's an air show. Yes.
That's right, Seb. It's an air show, and we might start calling Paul Alvarez the Aviator.
Among other names.
Alvarez filling the wings. Memphis there. Two wingers and what a goal. By Mr. Excitement. Here's Alvarez again. And those huge hands by Mr. Excitement.
Leaping ability niya. It was so fantastic when he came into
Excitement. When he goes up for the hoop, it's like he's walking in air.
Trying to go one-hander, going inside, picking it up, and scoring.
Tenga ang ngiti ni Mr. Excitement.
Over Sean Green ang tira ni Bong Alvarez. Kita mo kaya ito yan sa 100 replay natin. Sige nga.
Alam mo si Bong Alvarez, actually nakikita ko sa practice na ginagawa niya.
Talaga itong Alvarez sa Itono tandem na to, pag pinagsabay mamaya, ipakikita. Dumaan sa depensa si Paul Alvarez, dinaanan si Marlo Aquino, and a 3-point play opportunity. Nandito si Pumarin, binigay kay Alvarez. Alvarez lumipad! Ginamit ang banda!
Will lose it. Finally to Alvarez, who is streaking down and laying up and converting.
There was no way Harris is gonna come up with a defensive stand.
Completed by Alvarez.
And that will be the third foul on Harris.
Oh yes. Middle second ball.
Makapatid sila, no? Dahil medyo ngayon lang sila slant, but he was able to get it back.
Is very